Hello, YouTube. I'm dying over here. This is Wild Kid 24. Kind of a bad intro, but today we are going to be showing you my electronics adventure. We have this here, tap, plugged into the wall, AC outlet. What you see in this box is a transformer. Yeah, make sure I got that right. And we're transforming AC to DC. I could go into more detail, but it's been quite a few years since I was in high school. All this stuff was built in high school. So we have this module right here. I don't know why I call it a module. But we have this circuit board set up from the wall, 120 volts down to a 9 volt, which is what it takes. We have our little, man, I used to know the names of all this stuff. I don't know more. Sorry. Either way, this works. This works. I am so far away. This works. This does not work. It's actually a little jitterbug. It has, the little legs there. You put a watch battery in it, and it would vibrate. You know that. Vibrate. That actually does not work anymore. This works. We have it hooked up right now using a regular 9-volt battery. We have a little... Man, my phone does not focus. We have a button and it flashes back and forth, you know. Got our little controller here. All that stuff. Man, I don't remember much. And you just, you know, hold the button and it flashes back. You push in it. Switches. I'm not going to hook that up, but it's just a very, very small buzzer. It's not a speaker like this. It's a buzzer. Across these wires, certain combination, it will buzz differently. Now back to this. This is really cool, because it shows how current and electricity flows through our body. It actually, we'll turn this on, getting that light back on, make sure this is turned all the way down. And it actually uses touch from 2 fingers to get current to the board and to the speaker. All by touching these 2 pads. The current flows through our fingers. Very cool. Very loud. And show you how we're touching it here. If I touch it very little on both sides, we can get a different sound. If I fully cover each pad, we get a very, very loud sound, the maximum current possible. I don't know how that's working. I'm touching the side. That actually should not work. Very, very curious. I don't know if you could see what I was touching. I'm touching the very side of the board. So we have no contact of that pad and that. And I have no clue how it's doing that. No clue how it's doing that. Should actually not be doing that. Yeah, it should not be doing that. That is very odd. Okay. And we're going to turn this back off. Now, the coolest part, you know, showing you this a little bit. All this was built back in, I'd say about 12th grade of high school, 2 to 3 years ago. I have probably forgotten how to do most of this. If we use this as an example and turn it over here, all these parts were put together on this board and soldered by me, making that perfect Hershey kiss, as if I could hold it still, you could see. Back in high school. Now, I believe it's actually in here. Yes, I have a NASCAR, whatchamacallit, you know, blanket, big old comforter. Ah, yes, this is it. 411C telephone kit. Open this up here. We have our instruction manual. Oh my. our instruction manual, complete with a wall mount, black or white version, I think, yeah, maybe, wall mounting, and, yeah, we open this box up, and there she is, I want to say fully working phone. I don't believe I ever tested it, though, but as in, we got the wall thing right there. If I switch hands here, because I'm right-handed, we'll, this box needs to stay open. We'll lift her up here. Oh my, lift her up here, and we got a clear case so we can see all the circuitry inside of her. Let me take her out of the wall case right now. There's the wall mount. Oh my. Oh my. Well, let's put that back together real quick. We actually had our little silver numbering pad come off. We need that on there. That is not, no, oh my, I'm showing you the bed, not quite aligned. Either way, we have, turn it back over, we have a speaker right there, got the pad so it don't move, the circuitry of the board, all this, every piece you really can't see because of how fuzzy it is. I'm using my cell phone to record this. All these parts were hand assembled by me, soldered by me, and probably doesn't work because of me. But very cool. We've actually got 2 boards in there. One is for the numbers, which really cool. The 1 key feels like it doesn't work. And we've got our switches there, ringer on and off, and pulse and tone, and the microphone. My goodness, the microphone right there. Very cool. And there's our button for when we put it back in the wall mount. It will hang up with the switch on there. Very cool. All those pieces assembled by me. There was a little bit more, I figure, that I would have assembled back in the day, but I don't quite have it with me. It is amazing. Most of this has survived being in my closet and still works. Oh, we've turned this off. Turn that back on. And this, man, I'm telling you, I do not remember names. But that was just a little video showing it's actually made for a buddy of mine at work. Told him about my electronics. Took it all 4 years of high school. Very cool. Don't remember most of it by now. But still very cool. And this is just my electronics adventure. Goodbye, YouTube. Have a good day. If you want to hit that like button, hit that like button. You want to hit the dislike button, hit that dislike button. Leave a comment. And, yeah, electronics.